Hello fellow hunters, today I'm going to show you a quick video of my Reaper Express. I finally finished it and it runs really nice, smoking as you could see, and I had some issues with it, so that's why it took a little longer to get done. The card I originally built for the back of it I had to replace because it was too heavy. So I replaced it with this small one that I built. I just added some skulls and some spray foam and just painted it. Then I had another problem with it slipping and not going anywhere, not able to move. So what I did was I added some weight to it, about 20 pounds, and now it runs really good, even with the tracks uneven. You can see. I'm going to stop it and show you everything I've done. Plug it. Now, inside here, if you could see, well, you can't really see it too well, but there's a fog machine inside there. And then what you do is this comes off, and there's the fog machine, and you just fill it from there, and then you just run it. Now I couldn't figure out where to put his hands, so I made a couple levers and I glued his hands to it. You can see. And here's a view of the skulls. And now the tracks, I took and used bed liner paint and went over the tracks with it. I scuffed them up to make sure that the bed liner paint stuck to it. Then I painted them, so you could see, to give it a little more grip. And you can see back here, I cut it out and put the weights back there. I just cover it up with this. You really can't see it that much. Now this is the power cable, and it runs to the centerpiece, which is right here. And what I have inside here is a rotating Christmas tree stand, and I took the motor out of it, so it just runs off the power and pulls it and turns it when it's going around in a circle. And that's about it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.